Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you where you can find the insert snippet feature in your Craft application. So let us get started. Head over to a document inside the Craft app and your Craft team and start a new text line here. Enter the command / and scroll down here through the suggestions and choose, let me find it, snippet here, right? Click into it. And there is various snippet types like a code block, text formula, or a plain text snippet. And then fill it with content. So yeah, I don't have any good example here, so let me go over ABC123. Depends a little bit on the coding language you're using. Press enter to skip to the next line, and if you click off, you will see the snippet here, right? So you can also move it using that handle, like this. And that's how you do it. Click on these three lines here to copy the code, copy it to block, or to change the coding language here. For example, if you'd like to switch from plain text to Python, Markdown, XML, and so on and so forth, or select delete to remove it from your document. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.